Follow up on the RCA Globetrotter radio. Good evening, YouTube. It's 9:16 now on a Wednesday evening. I have in front of you the Globetrotter RCA radio. I do have all the what are they? E-caps replaced. I'll go over them real quick. There's a 1 microfarad there. There is a 1 microfarad, no, a 10 microfarad here. 1 microfarad there. 100 here, a 220 right there, and then there's a, this is supposed to be a 0.3, you can't even see it, but there's one right behind that transformer. It goes across the transformer actually. But anyway, there's supposed to be a 0.3 non-polarized E-cap. I didn't have one of those, and Bob said a 330 nanofarad film cap, he said, would work, but I didn't have one of those, so I used a disc cap. So that's what I've got in there, and it seems to be working. I won't say it's working great. Not bad though.
Totally different. It's not the same. So yeah, I mean, yeah, you've been with your family, you've been away from the game for a long time.
Alright, well there's your band scan. Does seem better on the higher end of the band. I'm not really sure why, but it does. And of course, you know, with this being 9 something at night, it is a certain amount of skip coming in, so that has a lot to do with it too. So anyway, there's your, that's what I've got so far. I did do a little bit of a tweak on the IF transformers. I just basically tuned in a weak station and started twiddling with them a little bit. And that's improved it quite a bit too. So, but that's the E-caps replaced. It seems to be pretty good. Like I said, I haven't put it back into the case yet and do all that stuff. That will come later. I just wanted to get it pretty much working. I'm going to try it again during the day, see what I get. So.
Process in the body, where the body attacks itself, and it's the actual nerve. If you think about it.
So anyway, there's your quick look at that. Like I said, I promised I would bring you back. I had these, I don't know if I told you or not, but I had these reversed. I had, for one thing, I had two 10 microfarads and one 1 microfarad, and it's supposed to be two 1 microfarads and one 10. So I've got that straightened out now. That's all back like it's supposed to be. And got these in, like I said, that's 100, that's a 220. It's supposed to be a 200 there, so. And this one I've got in here is, like I say, 330 nanofarad. Just a regular disc cap, and it seems to be working. That cap goes across the primary of the audio output transformer here, so that's what it does. I don't know what it does, but whatever it does, it seems to be doing the right job on there. So that's all I know. Had a busy day today. Of course, the Buick is running, and got that done. Well, I don't have it done, but that part of it's done. And probably the next thing I do on that will be I want to cut a little sample of that window channel, that rubber channel, and show you what I've got in mind for it to repair that, and then, excuse me, and go from there. So that's the plan. I really haven't done much else with the what do you call it there? You can see it's pretty much the same as I left it the other day. I still want to work on getting the bottom in next, and once I get that done, I can move right along getting it wired and things like that. Probably what I want to do is get it all wired, get it all done basically, and then I'm going to paint it. So I'll probably take most of it apart to do that, but again, that's the way I want to do it. So that's about it. So I'm gonna end this here. I have a little short one for you, and I'm a little tired. Like I said, it's just a busy day. Made 2 videos, and got the car started. Put the battery in. Put the battery in for the cable ends in, and that, I know you guys probably think, well, that's not really that much. No, it's not, but when you're not used to doing anything physical, I should say, anytime you do stuff like that, well, you know, it takes a lot out of your body, or it does mine anyway. Plus I've been having a little, I think I mentioned this to somebody, I can't remember who it was, but I've had some problems with this cooling spell that we've had. My arthritis, bursitis, whatever you want to call it, acted up, and I've really been in some pain, and Tylenol helps a little bit, but probably take that again before I go to bed, and it seems to help a little bit at night. Helps me sleep anyway. So that's about it, I guess. Like I said, that's just some of the things going on, and kind of looking forward to getting back to work on the Buick again. Maybe getting something done to where it actually starts to resemble a car again. So you guys, like I said, have a great evening. I appreciate you all watching, and we will see ya.